Yeah, it's going
That's
to be
right.
really nice outside, at least for today. But as far as the race goes itself, there is a chance for a few more isolated showers. We're going to talk more about that in just a moment. But I want to talk about what's going on outside right now. If you're heading towards Cleveland, we are seeing just a little bit of some light rain, but looking just a little bit closer to home, we're seeing some clouds for some, others seeing a little bit of some clearing, but overall an overcast day is expected, and we're waking up to our temperatures pretty much in the 60s across the area. 62 in Toledo, Wasion's around 61, and Napoleon also sitting around 62 degrees. So looking ahead towards those nighttime hours, it's going to be mostly cloudy, slightly warmer, and we'll be seeing some actually mild temperatures in the low 60s. So typically this time of year, we see average lows in the upper 50s. So it's going to be a mild afternoon and also a mild evening. But the main weather story we still are talking about is Hurricane Helene. Look at this brewing in the Gulf of Mexico for this morning as a Category 1 hurricane. Eventually expect to make landfall in the Florida Panhandle and the Florida Big Bend later on tonight as a Category 4 hurricane, bringing very strong winds, major flooding. Those storm surges are going to be massive. So millions of people impacted in the state of Florida. In fact, a lot of people evacuating already. We're talking from Panama City to Destin to Tallahassee, Jacksonville, Tampa, Orlando, all the way down to the Florida Keys. So any loved ones in Florida, Georgia, Alabama, the Carolinas, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, seeing a lot of rain, and that will include us here in Ohio. Tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be bringing a lot of that moderate to heavy rain to southern Ohio, and notice in our southern counties, starting to see some of those showers move into our neighborhood. So stopping this around 8 o'clock tomorrow night, a decent amount of some more light to moderate rain is expected. You can see our southern counties that saw that rain earlier on in the day getting a break from the rain. But as far as high school football goes for tomorrow, it certainly will be a wet one, and we'll continue to see more showers heading on into the weekend as well because of Hurricane Helene. So pretty much the rest of September will be pretty soggy, and at least we're seeing those seasonal temperatures in the mid 70s pretty much for the next 10 days. But as of now, the coolest day will be next Wednesday with those highs in the 60s.